Nope.
I walked in, went to the cage. First, listen. So what it is this. It's plain and simple.
Nope.
I walked in, went to the cage. First sign of the day, I put my ATM machine in the card. The card.
Really? No, what are you doing, man? Stay in the lines. Really? No, stop. Buick. You can go now. A, you got into the wrong lane, and B, you didn't yield to the cars from the left.
Performing at the same level as Holmes. The Yankees, Chapman does not
Still
look
red.
good. He came in the other night and threw okay. He wasn't
And
getting
now he
anywhere
sits there.
near his past numbers.
No, yeah. Yeah. People are just dumb. Whoa, Jesus! The fuck? My spidey senses. Why are you backing up of shaming? What are you doing? Aren't you gonna turn right? Yes? No? What? What a jap! No turn on red. One more time! Nope, you can't do that! Oh, no, stop! No, stop! Wait, what are you doing, 100? Yeah, you're going for the left lane. I'm not sure if that got on camera or not. But we'll check!
Out of the way. Everything's terrible otherwise. Alright, let's see here.
Left turn regret.
I promised myself I'd be prepared this time. It's always a lie, but... We're going to have some of the greatest people on the show, just like we did with the Full Sun podcast. And we're going to bring it back. I don't know, Lauren, I'd actually have to...
No stop. Olams.
Well, let's go.
I mean, your store is right there. You should know that the stop sign exists. Alright, I don't know why this keeps happening in this parking lot, but those 3 parking spots behind me are not parking spots. Have a nice day. That was red light run.
Wait, excuse me. Yeah, I appreciate that we're like more and more switching to USB chargers for everything.
No,
but
stop.
It does create
FedEx.
that problem of like.
What the hell? This is a freaking U-turn fail right there. The fuck was that? Tonight the music seems so loud. Wish that we could lose this crowd. Baby, it's better this way. We hurt each other with the things we want to say. So good. What the fuck, dude? You had to slam on your brakes. I was in the middle of a great part of the song.
As opposed to being like, the more I have seen, the more I've been like, oh, that's not disgusting, or
Yeah.
Yeah, way to bike the wrong way up a wrong way street. The wrong way up a wrong way street. Seriously, like someone could hit you.
Find worksheets and watching professionals, and I'm basically doing everything I can to try to, get help, and I'm still finding it, but no, not really with this. I really don't. You are the person I thought of.
He's gonna hit the curb.
Put me pressure on you.
Yeah. Well, I definitely.
It was going to be part of the plan that even if I didn't feel like it, I had to do something with my time. And shockingly, I haven't had any spare time.
Oh, nice cutoff.
I usually killed it. I have my first garden.
Is that an exit dive? Yes, it is. No stop. No stop. I'm burning, been burning, I'm burning for you to get off my ass. I'm burning 'cause you're on my ass. It burns when you're up there. No stop behind me, and there was a car coming. Uh-oh. Yeah, good job, guys.
That just think in your head, imagine if I married that. Thank God I'm not married now. She
think it was red light run.
saying all this horrible shit to me right now.
Screw brew.
Is where they were living there, and then the girlfriend immediately started bringing other guys home.
No stop.
You know, have you ever been that guy?
Okay, I got another gym rant for you. There are over 30 treadmills in there. Only about maybe 3 or 4 are taking. Why the fuck do you have to take the one that's right next to me? I have to smell your sweaty ass armpits for the rest of my workout. Come on. Who does that? Sound the alarm for that, please. No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if this is Connecticut, and he's merging over now. No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if this is Connecticut. But he moved over, and this is I-81 north of Syracuse, and in fact, I'm at my exit. Perfectly fine. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, do all sorts of fun stuff out there, and I'll see you in the next episode. Yay! Okay, bye.